100 donated American M777 Howitzers are slowly starting to make a difference in Ukraine. Aerial footage from the 81st Airmobile Brigade is showing how they are targeting the vehicles using the long-range weapons. The command of the assault troops of the Armed Forces of Ukraine said. Gunners of the 81st Brigade of the Ukrainian Air Assault Forces destroyed 1 tank and 2 infantry fighting vehicles of the Russian invaders. In particular, 1 tank and 2 infantry fighting vehicles of the Russian occupiers along with their crews were turned into scrap metal. Death to the Russian occupiers. Always first. Glory to Ukraine. It is the latest blow to Russian forces who have suffered heavy losses to personnel and military hardware in their costly 4-month invasion. Ukraine claims Russia has lost 33,800 personnel, 1,477 tanks, 3,588 armored combat vehicles, 749 artillery units, 235 multiple launch rocket systems, 98 air defense systems, 216 warplanes, 181 helicopters, 601 drones, 130 cruise missiles, 14 warships, 2,527 motor vehicles and fuel tankers, and 55 units of special equipment. On the battlefield, Russian forces are trying to take complete control of the eastern Donbas region, parts of which were already held by Russian-backed separatists before the February 24 invasion. But Russia's advance into Luhansk has been very slow, and the Russians have been trying for 3 weeks to completely conquer the city of Severodonetsk, where, in addition to their superiority in manpower and weapons, Ukrainian defenders are resisting attacks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.